Hey guys, what's up? It's just Aquino and welcome back to another video. So, long time no vlog tayo guys. Just a quick disclaimer guys. I'm not a skin professional and I'm just going to share my personal experience with this product. This is the Vaseline Healthy Bright Glutathione Serum Burst UV Lotion Flawless Bright. So I actually bought this sa Watsons for 499 pesos. And yes, sulit. I saw this trending on TikTok kasi kaya na-curious ako, kaya binili ko siya. I've been using this every morning and every night, pero honestly mas madalas siya sa gabi kasi when I'm so busy or tinatamad akong maglagay at wala na akong time sa morning na maglagay nito. Now, do you want the good news first or the bad news? So, let's start with the bad news. Actually, it's not really bad. Maybe parang downside na lang. For me kasi medyo pricey siya if you are planning to use it for long term, pag gusto mo siyang i-maintain. But now you know, very overlookable naman siya kasi itong product na ito, the good part is sobrang worth it. Yeah. So now let's talk about why I love this product. So number one guys is super cool siya sa balat. After taking a bath, as I apply this product, meron siyang cooling effect sa akin. So, I don't know if it's just me kasi wala namang naka-indicate or wala namang nakalagay na meron siyang cooling sensation. Pero talaga, pag ina-apply ko siya on my skin, talagang feeling ko ang lamig. Grabe guys, yun yung gustong-gusto ko sa product nito. Ayan, so second guys is medyo sticky siya first. Pero very easily absorb siya ng skin. For your information guys, wala akong aircon dito sa bahay, electric fan lang. Hindi pa tapos tong kwarto ko. Pero guys, grabe, hindi pa tumatagal sa balat natin, is ina-absorb na talaga siya ng balat natin. Yung pangatlo guys, talagang hindi wrong yung kanilang kinlaim na flawless bright. Kasi pagkapahid mo at na-absorb na siya ng skin mo, talagang mararamdaman mo yung flawlessness, yung pagiging smooth niya sa balat natin. Kaya, yun guys, promise, yung claim na hindi lang yung claiman lang. Totoo yun guys, na nakaka-flawless siya. And pang-apat naman guys is the lightening effect. Yes, it's not instant kasi wala siyang white cast compared to other products, 'di ba? Yung iba pag ginamit mo may white cast. So siguro depende sa inyo kung anong trip nyo kasi there are some moments na gusto ko siya na meron akong instant whitening. So gusto ko yung iba na lotion sometime na may white cast. Pero ito guys, if you don't want white cast sa mga balat ninyo, perfect to para sa inyo. Don't worry guys, if you're consistent naman sa paggamit nitong Vaseline na ito, you really see a natural glow naman pag ginagamit ito. And panglima guys, star ingredients, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat kasi it has the Glutaglow, Hyaluron, and Pro Retinol guys. Ayan o. And based sa nakikita natin online, those help with skin tightening and firming. So I am no professional, I am no expert with this, pero ang dami ko rin talaga nakikita na products o mga review na pinipraise nila ang mga ganitong ingredients ng mga lumalabas ngayong product. Kasi itong retinol and hyaluronic acid. As you can see this bottle, this is my second bottle already. Ayan, paubos na siya. Ayan o, wala lang laman. So, that says a lot, right guys? Let me show you the texture ng Vaseline na ito. Ipapakita ko siya. Ayan. Sana nag-zoom ng maayos. Ayan. Kakaunti na to eh. Ayan. So, kung makikita natin guys, it's very light. Ayan siya. Hindi po siya super thick. And it's not heavily scented. Ayan. Makikita niyo guys. Yan, hindi po siya heavily scented na matapang sa ilong. Ayan. Kaya prefer nito sa mga sensitive sa mga scent. Kasi hindi siya ganun katapang. And kung makikita nyo guys, ayun o, nag-watery siya kaagad. Tapos ayun, ina-absorb na ng balat natin. Hindi siya ganun sa ibang lotion na very sticky. Ayan. Kaya overall guys, I am very happy with this product. So, I would rate this 100 out of 10. Ang okay ng pag-rate, no? Ayan. Again, this is not sponsored. So, I bought this on my own. Pero, Vaseline, baka naman. So if you wanna try this product also, maglalagay ako ng links below sa comment section if you are tinatamad na pumunta ng Watsons or ng mall para bumili nito. Para at least, diba, click nyo na lang dyan and you add to cart, di-deliver na lang sa inyo at your door. So, and of course, please don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and click nyo na rin yung notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Mas meron pa akong ibang product na i-review. Promise. See you. Peace.